Here's the beginner guitar arrangement of We Wish You a Merry Christmas. And this one is in 3/4 times, so we're going to have 3 beats per measure. So we're in the key of C. We're going to start with an open G. So that open G leads us to a C chord. So you'll hold down that full C chord with the C on top, the first fret of the second string, and then you can play the 3rd fret of the second string, back to the C or first fret, then open B, open second string, so we have, and then we're going to go to an F chord, but we're just going to play 2 notes. We're going to play an F and an A. We'll play it 3 times. F is with your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 4th string, and the A is with the 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. So, and then we're going to go to a D chord and just play 3 notes. Open D, that same A we were just playing with the F chord, and then your 3rd finger will play a D, that's going to be our melody note, on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Play that twice, and then play an open E string, the open 1st string. Then back to D, then to C, then a G chord with a B on top, and then 2 open Gs. So we have and that's going to lead us to an E chord with an open E on top, the full chord, and then we'll play melody notes F, E, D. That leads us to an A minor. And then 2 open G notes. So don't play that little F shape, but then we'll throw the D on top, and then a G chord with the open B on top, and then the C. So let's play that whole chorus section slowly. So now we'll play the verse. So for the verse, we're going to start with the same open G. Then we're going to play a C chord with the C on top, to a G with the B on top, to a D, and that D chord, we're going to have D and A together, and we're going to play then a C on top, with the 1st finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, open B, then the A, and then to the G. So far we have. And then we're going to play the D that's on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, C chord, and then a C chord, and we'll play this whole melody through the C chord. So that's E, open E, D with the pinky, C with the 1st finger on the 2nd string, G with the pinky on the 3rd fret of the 1st string, and then open G, and then F with the D, G chord with the B on top, to a C chord with the C on top. So here is played slowly from the verse. And if it's a little tricky for you to play that whole C chord with the melody notes on top, you could play that as just single notes. And then add in the chords when you feel comfortable. So that's We Wish You a Merry Christmas.